Hello students, let's continue the lesson triangles and their properties. We have already studied types of triangles based on sides. There are three types of triangles based on sides: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and a scalene triangle. An equilateral triangle is a type of triangle who has all three sides same. An isosceles triangle has only two sides to be same. And a scalene triangle is a type of triangle with all different sides. So these are the three different types of triangles based on sides. Let's study three more types of triangles which are based on angles. One is acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angled triangle. Let's draw this three different types of triangles based on angles. First one is acute angled triangle. First one is acute angled triangle. Let's label it as X, Y, Z. Now why is it said as an acute angled triangle? Since all the three angles of the given triangle are less than 90 degree, therefore the given triangle is called as an acute angled triangle. Now how to identify the three angles to be less than 90 degree? You have a protractor, you place it on point Y, see that it is less than 90 degree. Same way you place it on point Z, it is less than 90 degree. Yes, same way X is also less than 90 degree. Therefore, the given example of a triangle is an acute angled triangle. Our next angled triangle is a right angled triangle. A right angled triangle has any one angle to be 90 degree. Any one angle to be 90 degrees. Same way you place the protractor, see that it is exact 90 degree. Therefore you understand that it is a right angled triangle. And the third one is obtuse angled triangle. Obviously, acute angle is less than 90 degree, right angle is equal to 90 degree, then obtuse angle will be greater than 90 degree. See, our 90 degree is here and it is somewhat 125. Somewhat 125. So it is greater than 90 degree. So this is obtuse angled triangle. Only one thing you have to keep in mind is that in acute angle triangle, all the three angles should be less than 90 degree. Whereas in right angle, we have to check only one angle to be 90 degree. Same way in an obtuse angle triangle also, only one angle should be greater than 90 degree. Remaining things are to be same. Our next point is properties of triangle. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We have to check whether the sum of all the three angles of a particular triangle, any kind of triangle, is always 180 degree. Let's find out. I have a set square here and we can draw with the help of set square one triangle. So I'll just draw one triangle with the help of a set square. Now this angle and this angle, let's label it as A, B, C. We have a triangle ABC. We will measure the three angles of the given triangle and we will add them. After adding, it should be equal to 180 degree. Then this rule satisfies. One angle B is equal to 60 degree. This is 60. Then we will check for C. C is 30 degree. And we will check for A. A is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Now see, addition of all three angles should be equal to 180 degree. 60 plus 30 plus 90 is equal to 60 plus 30 is 90 plus 90 will give you 180. Yes. So you can draw a triangle only when the sum of all the three angles is equal to 180 degree. If you have some example in which the sum of three angles does not become 180 degree, then such type of figure cannot be drawn as a triangle. So this thing you have to keep in mind. Our next property is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. What do we have to do? The sum of any two sides, addition of any two sides length should be greater than the third side. First, let's have two examples. Draw triangles with given sides. First example, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This is our first example, and second example we will solve. We will draw 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Now what do I want to show you through these examples is that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third one. If you go to see 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter, 4 plus 5 will give you 9. 9 is greater than 6. So one thing satisfies. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is always greater than 4. Second thing also satisfies. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 is greater than 5. So the sum of any two sides is greater than the third one. We will try to solve this. We will try to draw this. For that we require a scale. And first we draw 6 centimeter side. Then this is 6 centimeter x, y. Another side is 4 centimeter and third side is 5 centimeter. We take a compass. We measure 4 centimeter. Place the sharp end on point X. Cut the arc. Same way we measure 5 centimeter. Place the sharp end on point Y and cut the arc. We have an intersection and we connect it. XYZ. This is 4 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. See, it is possible to draw such a triangle. Why? Because the sum of lengths of any two sides is greater than the third one. Let's see if it is possible to draw this type of triangle. Now, two sides are 2 centimeters and one side is 7 centimeter. We will draw a line of 7 centimeter. And from both sides we will plot 2 centimeters. Both are 2 centimeters, so we do not have to measure it again. Now see children, here this arc and this arc do not meet together at a certain point. So we don't know from where exactly to pass the line to make a triangle. This type of triangle cannot be drawn. Why? Because 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is not greater than 7. It is less than 7. And therefore, we cannot draw such a triangle. Thank you.